Yes, welcome to Boston, where the local time is now 5:37 p.m. and the temperature outside is minus 2 degrees Celsius. For safety reasons, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and hand baggage stowed away until the aircraft has come to a complete and final stop. Once the captain switches off the fasten seatbelt sign, it is safe for you to stand up. Please take care when opening overhead lockers, as items may have moved and may fall out, causing injury. You may now use mobile phones. We remind you that smoking is not permitted when leaving the aircraft or before you have reached a designated smoking area. Please remember to take all personal belongings, including personal devices, with you when leaving the aircraft. If you've been issued with an infant life jacket, an extension or infant seatbelt, please leave it easy on your seat. Our ground handling agents are now waiting to meet this flight and will be pleased to offer any further assistance that you may require. All that remains now is for us to wish you a very safe and pleasant homeward journey from the airport. Thanks once again for choosing BermudAir, and have a great evening.